Hello, this is Eben with LaserPro's technical support team. In this video, we will show how to replace the HP ADF maintenance kit, part number J8J95A. To start, turn the printer off, wait 30 seconds, and disconnect the power cable. Open the ADF cover. Pull the blue locking lever down. Grasp the ADF pickup roller and slide left and out to remove the assembly. Open ADF separation roller cover. Lift the ADF separation roller and remove from printer. Dispose of defective parts. Unpack the replacement parts from packaging. Insert the left end of the replacement separation roller and press the roller down. Close the ADF separation roller cover. Insert the left end of the replacement pickup roller assembly. While holding the pickup roller in place, slide the blue locking lever right and up to lock the roller into place. Close the ADF cover. Plug in power cable and turn on printer. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our content, subscribe for more and visit our website for top-of-the-line imaging parts, helpful tips, and resources.